build it brick by brick and stone by stone till it reaches up to the sky. When the sun goes down and the wind gets cold, we'll be warm inside. We'll keep on brewing, we'll have a place to hide. Oh, the voice don't lie, we're gonna be safe and sound tonight. Oh, the strong don't cry, gonna open up the door when the morning light shines in. Päivää vaan. Let's build a palace, gonna build it grand. Build it grand, gonna build it by floor and wall by wall, with the heart and with our hands. Step outside into the freeze. I'm gonna kill your friend, police. Good police, I'm gonna kill your friend. Do you understand? Your friend is dead. Voice don't lie, you're gonna be safe and sound tonight. Oh, the strong don't cry, gonna open up the door when the morning light shines in. We're gonna run to freedom! To freedom! Freedom! Bye bye. Okay. The cops are doing nothing. I need to shoot this friend. I need to shoot this person with my little friend. Call it the rifle. Call it the massive rifle that I had in my hands. The massive rifle that I had in my hands. A massive real rifle in a video game. Massive real rifle in a video game. Okay. Gonna kill the cops too, yes. Gonna kill the cops too. Nico Bellic's gonna kill the cops. Nico Bellic gonna kill the cops, yes, and destroy the telephones. Gonna kill the cops and destroy 100 million telephones in the Liberty City. Liberty City. In the Liberty City. 3,000 euroa. Mulle. Multaa. I'm gonna destroy all the phones in Liberty City. 100,000 phones I'm gonna destroy in Liberty City. And destroy 100 billion cops in Liberty City. Ooh. The drunken rifle. The drunken rifle. Drunk rifle. Very drunk Nico Bellic driving the car. Everywhere. In Liberty City. Liberty City. Liberty City. Hello. Build a palace, gonna build it grand. Build it grand, gonna build it floor by floor, wall by wall, with the heart and with our hands. Juokse vapauteen Nico Bellic, älä anna niitä tehdä sulle henkilönumeroa. Juokse vapauteen Nico Bellic. Juokse vapauteen Nico Bellic. Elä Amerikan unelmaa, mutta juokse myöskin vapauteen. Juokse vapauteen! Juokse vapauteen! Freedom! 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 Free land in America. In the free land of America we will run to freedom. We ain't gonna go to Hollywood or Vegas or Disneyland. No, we're gonna run to the freedom in the Fredia. Freedom. Radialla vapauteen. Juokse läpi radian, juokse läpi metsän vapauteen. Juokse läpi kanjonien vapauteen. Kukaan ei tiedä, että mä asun jossain kanjonissa ja on jonkin sortin aavikkojen noita, aavikkojen velho. Aavikkojen velho, aavikkojen noita, aavikkojen vapaa velho, aavikkojen vapaa noita. Aavikkojen tuuli. Aavikkojen tuuli olkoon nimeni. Mun nimi olkoon Aavikkojen tuuli. Ja aavikkojen tuli. Di. Light shines in when the morning light shines in. Bible is the best book in the whole world. The real Bible, I mean. The real Bibles. There is only two real Bibles. Hebrew Bible and the Greek Bible. That's the real ones. Greek text and the Hebrew. The original Hebrew Bible. The original Hebrew Bible and the Greek text Bible are the only real Bibles in the whole planet. In the whole planet! In the whole planet, fella. Boys don't lie. We're gonna be safe and sound tonight. Juokse vapauteen! Juokse vapautukseen! Juokse vapauteen, fella. A place to hide. Matrix. New York. Matrix. Mattress shop. The mattress shop of Mr. L. Light shines in. When the light shines in. Build the castle. Build the palace. Gonna build the grand. Build it grand, gonna build it floor by floor and wall by wall. Nautin elämästä, elän vapaudessa, nautin elämästä, elän vapaudessa, nautin elämästä, elän vapaudessa. Vapauden ihminen. Ha, sun veressä seinillä. Sun veressä seinillä tossa noin. Sun veressä on seinillä. He, kansalainen. Country person. Your blood is on the pool. The citizen of a nation. Your blood is on the wall. And Nico Bellic is dead too. His blood is on the wall too. Everyone's blood is on the wall. What the bloody nation, the Liberty City State. The Liberty City and Liberty State, what the bloody nation. The walls are bloody, the streets are bloody, everything is bloody. The streets are bloody, the walls are bloody, the coffee shop is bloody, there is blood in this place, fella. You go to the coffee shop and there is blood everywhere. Goodbye. No, we just need to survive, okay? Yeah. Rotko. Light shines in. When the light shines in. The light shines in. When the morning light shines in.
Palestinian. Well, here's Israel, here's southern Judah, here's northern Israel,
Build a castle, gonna build it high. Build it high, gonna build it brick by brick. Stone by stone, walk to freedom. Walk to freedom. Walk to freedom. Run to freedom. Run to freedom. Run to freedom, run to freedom, run to freedom. Okay, I'm going mad here. I'm going insane here. Bye bye. Bloody streets. Bye bye. Bloody place. Coffee shop full of blood. Goodbye, coffee shop full of blood. Goodbye, war-ridden nations. New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia, California. Okay, this will not end good for the cop. Oh man, I'm not her cop. This will not end good for your partner. Your cop partner will be dead. Even if you shoot me. Even if you shoot me. Oh. Oh. Town tonight. Oh, the strong don't cry. Gonna open up the door when the morning light shines in. When the light shines in, Mammon is the demon of money. Mammon is the spirit of money. Oh man, devil. Viikon of Alcantara, okay, this little, whatever, gangster thinks he can kill me. You think you can kill me now, huh? No, you can't kill me, you're dead. Boys, don't lie, you're gonna be safe and sound tonight. Oh man, a cop. Oh man, a cop, a dark evil cop, a corrupt cop of Liberty City, a corrupt cop of Liberty City. Liberty City is dead now. I'm gonna destroy whole Liberty City with bombs and with shotgun and rifle and bullets. The whole Liberty City will be a ghost town after I am done. After I am done. Goodbye. I will burn the city down, the whole Liberty City, in a video game. It's a video game, well anyway, everyone knows. Everyone knows Liberty City is just in a video game. But I'm gonna burn it down still. I can burn everything down. Goodbye, people. Goodbye, you dead sports fellas. Sport fellas. Ooh. My car is dead. Now my car is destroyed. Destruct. The car has been destruct into pieces. Destruct into pieces, into little pieces of trash. The car is a little piece of trash now. You did it! It's your fault.